If every fix you've tried for CapCut freezing or hanging on your phone has failed, don't give up yet. In this video, I will show you the hidden fixes that often work when everything else doesn't. I will start with the most common fixes if you are new to this, and if you want to jump straight to a specific fix, just use the timestamps in the description or on the screen to skip ahead. CapCut is heavy on RAM and GPU usage, so this causes your phone to freeze when adding effect or exporting, and even lag when scrolling timeline. First, check your phone RAM. I'm using an iPhone 11 here. You go to settings here, scroll down to general, then click on about us. So look for model name. This is iPhone 11. Go to Google and type iPhone 11 or whatever model is your phone. So you can see here that iPhone 11 is 4 GB RAM. So you need to confirm that. And if you're using iPhone 15 Pro, that is 8 GB RAM. So we'll go to CapCut, click on your profile icon here, then click on this gear at the top right hand corner. Then you can see clear cache. You can see I just have 6 MB. So try and do that first. Next, on your phone, free up storage. Go to phone settings again. Scroll down to storage, or you just search for it if you can't find it. You can see my photos have a lot of storage consumption here. I have 120 GB, so you have to free it up, okay, so that CapCut can have enough space to work on. At least keep up to 5 to 10 GB free, then restart your phone. Go to settings here and we'll type battery. If you turn on low power mode while you want to edit with your phone using CapCut, you have to turn it off. So it's either you make your phone charge to some reasonable percentage before you start editing. We go to CapCut, we click on project. Then you can see these are all the videos that is drafted on my CapCut application. So if I'm no longer using it, I'm going to click on this 3 dots and then I will delete it. For you to do that, you go to CapCut, you open a project. On phone, actually, it's different when you're doing it on laptop. You click on this UHD, you click on this drop down arrow, then you reduce this resolution while you're editing to something around 72 pixels, okay? Then you go back to your editing. This allows your editing run smoothly and stop freezing up. Go to your app store or just search for app store here, or click on it here and I'll search for CapCut, the first one. You can see, so if your CapCut is out of date, you're going to see it here. Instead of you seeing open, you're going to see update. You click on it and then you update. This is the most important one most people skip. Let your phone cool down. Stop editing while charging and allow the phone to cool. This is very, very important. You find out that most time when you are editing, your phone is heating up. Let it cool down, or you can just get a medium fan, a cooling fan. Just put your phone on a stand and then you can just sit up and start editing. So if you are editing, let me go to this project. If you're using heavy effects like AI effects, stabilization, or AI motion blur, sometimes the effect might affect your editing, and it is advisable for you to add effects after you are done with your cutting or color correction. Don't add effect at the same time when you are doing the color correction. This will make CapCut hang a lot even when you are editing with your phone. So if you have heavy effect, you can just click on it like this one here. If I play this video for you, look at this. You can see that effect, very nice one. So let's say my phone is freezing up. All I just need to do is click on it and then delete it. Then later when I'm done, maybe I'm exporting the second time, I can bring back the effect again. So for example, let's say I'm editing this video here and I notice that this video, I'm bringing it to CapCut, is 4K. Okay, I will click on it, or you might just leave it. Just come to this part here, click down the drop down arrow. You can see it has shifted some of the video you might be editing, maybe depending on the camera level. So it's already at 4K. So what you're going to do is to just reduce it to something very lower than what the original video is. This will allow you to edit smoothly. Then on exporting, you can increase back to the video, the kind of resolution that you want. If I have a project that is freezing up, let us head out of the CapCut here. I will come to project here. Let's say this particular clip I'm editing or video I'm editing is hanging. I will click on these three dots here and then duplicate it. Okay, so I have the original and the one I'm editing. So this will allow you to remove some other aspect that might be affecting your editing to freeze up. So if you are editing a video that is about, let's say, 2 hours plus 3 hours, it is advisable for you to cut it in clips, maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes, then do whatever you want to do your every color correction, then bring it together again. Sometimes we have a lot of extracted audio files and forget to clear them, and we also forget to empty our trash. Over time, these files can take up storage and affect CapCut's performance. To clear them, open any project and click on Audio, then Sound, and tap on the folder icon. Next, click on Extracted. As you can see, I have a lot of extracted audio files here. To delete any one you no longer need, simply swipe left and tap Delete. Now, I will click on Device. These are the audio files I've imported into CapCut. You can listen to them, and once you no longer need any of them, swipe left and tap Delete. Next, head back to the main screen and tap on Project, scroll down to Trash and delete any files you no longer need, or clear the entire trash. This fix looks simple but has a lot of impact on our editing. Once you're working on CapCut, close every background apps you are no longer in use. This can affect greatly when you are editing on CapCut. Here is a bonus fix. If CapCut is taking too long to export, first check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, especially if you are using a cloud-based features or online effects. Next, try reducing the export resolution, for example from 4K to 1080 pixels. In many cases, a slow or unstable internet or Wi-Fi connection is the main cause of export delays. And there you have it. These are the fixes that can stop CapCut from freezing up or hanging on your phone. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future fixes and tutorials. Also, check out my playlist on your screen for more important solution and editing tips. Bye for now.